Hi everyone, this is Selvi. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about product. This is our first detailed session in our product management for beginner series. Last session we talked about the agenda, what we are going to cover as part of this course. This is our first detailed session. In this session, we are going to talk about what is product, examples of product, product goal and product strategy. So let's try to understand first what is a product. Product is anything that delivers a value. Oh, I thought software is a product. I thought hardware is a product. No, it can be anything that is delivering a value. Smartphone, it delivers a value. It is a product. We can send messages, we can make calls, we can send emails, we can take photos, we can use maps, different options. It is providing value and that is a product. Consider any of the software product like Spotify platform, right? Spotify, which is a platform where you can listen to music and you can also listen to podcast. You can filter out with the help of the speakers. You have different options, which is basically providing lot of value, and that is a product. So product is anything that delivers a value. It can be a smartwatch, it can be a wristwatch, it can be a water bottle, anything. Anything that is delivering a value is called as a product. Good. Let's get into what are the instances where a product gets created. What are the key areas? Let's talk about first thing, which is solution for existing problem. We have a problem, we want to solve a problem, we are trying to find a solution and we found the solution. And the fix or the solution for that existing problem is a product. We will see an example. So this is the first option. The second option, you have a new idea and this new idea is going to create a product. Third one, you already have a product and you are trying to enhance with additional features, then this will also be converted into a new product. Okay, Selvi, can we get some examples? Yes, we are going to see some examples. So you have some new idea and you are creating a brand new smartwatch. It was not there. This product was not there earlier, but it's a new idea. How about having all the options in your watch so that you can you get lot of value? So this new idea actually created a smartwatch, which is a product. The second one, camera is already available in the smartphone or any mobile phone, but we have added lot of features, enhancing with different features. Like you can go and take a photo now, and you can get the exact location, and also you can use the exact latitude, longitude, all those details. These all information are also captured as part of the photo when you are clicking a photo. These all are additional features that we are getting as part of the photo feature. So there is a feature, you are enhancing that feature, and that itself will become a new product. So the third one is you have a problem. You all may be using headset. Earlier there was no such concept called noise cancellation. So if actually there is a lot of background noise, you will be able to hear all those things. But now it is actually fixing the problem how to avoid that background noise. So a new product got evolved, that is actually the headset which fixes the problem of noise cancellation headset basically. So a product can be created when you have a new idea, you can create a product. You have already a product, you want to enhance some features in that product, that also may create a new product. Third one, there is a problem and you are fixing that problem, that solution also will become a new product. So smartwatch, which is because of the new idea, enhancing the feature of the camera and bringing new additional options in the camera itself, that is a new product, and fixing the problem noise cancellation headset, which is a new product. So these are the different instances where a product gets created. Now let's talk about a goal. Before getting into product goal, let's talk about the goal so that you can easily remember this concept, because we will be hearing in the next session also different terminologies like what is a product vision, what is a product mission, what is a product strategy, what is a product roadmap, so many things. Strategy will be covering today with goal, but other things we'll be covering in the next session. But it is very important. Why these many terminologies, right? So first, let's try to understand what is a goal so that you can easily remember what is a product goal. A goal is a clear idea of what you want to achieve. It's like a target or destination that helps you stay focused and work towards something meaningful. So we are in the month of December now. Most of you already planned some kind of goal for the year 2025. Oh, I'm going to do the certification. I'm going to learn some new language. Maybe different goals, right? So you have some clear, concrete idea what you are going to achieve. That is the goal. So you know like what is your destination, what you want to achieve, and you will be just this goal will help you stay focused and just plan and work towards that final target that is going to be beneficial for you. That is goal. In simple terms, a goal gives you direction and purpose. I need to do what and what is the purpose of that. It can be something small like reading a book this week or big, even like launching a new product. So there is even a small goal or a bigger goal, it's possible. Goals help you measure progress and know when you have succeeded. So it's very important that you should be able to measure the progress. See, if you don't have a goal, whether you are successful or whether you are still finding somewhere a gap, you don't know. So if you have a goal, you know that whether you achieved a goal or not. So it is helping you to measure and understand whether you are really successful in that goal or not. So this is what, in simple terminology, you go something you want to achieve, and you are going to set that as your target and move towards that with the focused vision, and also you are going to get that at the end, and you are also able to measure that. So it can be small, it can be big. Now you know what is a goal. Now let's try to understand with a simple example. Walking 10,000 steps a day, which is very good for the health, that is a goal, daily goal, right? So daily I need to achieve. So you can see that you can easily measure, right? So 10,000 steps, if you are completing, what is your target? 10,000 steps. And what is the time period? 1 day. And in 1 day you are going to do this. If you have completed 10,000, yes, you have achieved that. So you are successful with that goal. If you have not, then you can understand, okay, I have only achieved 8,000. That means 2,000 steps you were unable to complete. So goal is actually helping you to stay focused, and you are setting the target and you are able to move towards that, and at the end you know whether you are successful in that or not by measuring it. This is the goal. So now you know what is the goal. Just let's use the same kind of thing to product goal and learn that. What is a product goal? A product goal is the outcome the product aims to achieve. There is a product. What is the product is going to give? That is going to give a value. So the product goal is the outcome of the product. The outcome the product aims to achieve. Let's talk about a simple example that most of you may be using, Duolingo app. What is the goal of this app? It is to help users learn new languages effectively. It's delivering a value for sure. It is delivering a value that people can stay at their own place and learn a language with the help of a smartphone. That's a value that we are getting. What is the goal of the product? The product goal is the product is aiming to achieve that people who are using that application learning new languages effectively. That is the goal. So product goal is the outcome the product aims to achieve. What is the aim of the product? That is actually the product goal. Now, let's try to understand why we need that goal. We already talked about this, so it's very easy for you to now correlate. You as a team will be more focused on delivering value. What is the value? You know what is the goal now. So that is your focus. If you don't have that, you don't know exactly what you are trying to even achieve. See, 10,000 steps, if you don't know whether I need to do 5,000, 7,000, 12,000, you don't know. Now you have a very concrete idea what you need to achieve. So you have a focused view that what you are going to cover. The next thing is it is going to provide a clear direction and purpose for development. So we know what we need to do, and are we moving in the right direction also it will tell. Like for example, Duolingo. Its purpose is actually the new languages learning. Whether the application is helping us to learn something in cooking, something as a dance class or music class. No, the purpose is to uh, make the users learn new languages in an effective way. That is the purpose. So what is the direction, and it what is the purpose of the product? That is actually much more conveniently delivered by this goal, and helps measure success. Of course, 10,000 steps, if you achieve, yes, it's not achieved. So, product goal is actually whatever the product that you are, it is delivering a value and it has something as an aim to achieve. That is your product goal. So, product goal helps the team to focus on delivering the value, provides a clear direction and purpose for development, helps to measure the success. So now you know what is a goal. Always remember that 10,000 steps example, so that is a daily goal. It has a measure which you can actually measure to understand whether it's successful or not. Same way Duolingo, it shows the progress, right? Like 20% you have completed, 30% you have completed, and it has actually like a different methodologies, like for example these many languages. So it's basically the application which is helping the users to learn languages effectively. That's the goal. So it has certain set of different languages and it provides with it for different users. That is the whole idea. The goal is actually, maybe they have a goal like in this year we need to launch these many languages as well, right? So that's a goal. So we need to understand this goal first of all. Then we know that whatever the product we are working, what is the goal of this product. Now the next topic is very interesting topic. What is a product strategy? Oh, Selvi, yeah, this is another terminology. Yes, it's a very simple thing. Let's go with a very simple example and then we'll try to get into the actual example. A high level plan that outlines the why and how the product will achieve its goals. Now we know what is the goal, right? I think hopefully everyone is clear about the goal. So goal, you a product is delivering a value. I'm just repeating again so that you can also revise again before getting into this topic. Product is something that is delivering a value, so you are clear with product. What is the goal? So every product is going to achieve something, right? That's the aim of the product. That outcome is nothing but the product goal. It is actually like you can measure the product goal, and it is also provide you the clear vision what you are going to do and provides a clear direction as well. So that is the product goal. Simple example, 10,000 steps per day. And Duolingo app, what is the goal of the product? To provide users an opportunity to learn new languages in an effective way. That is the goal. So whether we are able to achieve that successfully or not, we can measure it with the help of the goal. Now we know what is a product goal. The next step is we need to have a detailed plan, which is a high level plan. First level is high level, right? You cannot make so much detail at the very high level. So the first level plan or the high level plan, that is going to define the why and how the product will achieve its goals. Let's talk about that in detail. A plan that defines how your product will achieve its goals and deliver value to users and the business. That's the reason I'm keep on talking about delivering the value. At the end, it is all about delivering value to your user and customers or business. So the plan strategy is nothing but a plan. Number one point. Second point, that defines how your product will achieve its goals. We know now a goal. We know what is the goal of our product. How are we going to deliver it or achieve it? That is the this plan is going to talk about that. It guides your team on what to focus on and how to make the product successful. So goal is what? We just want to ensure that we are making a successful product and we are also able to measure that. This strategy is going to guide the team to focus on what they need to do and how to make the product successful. So product is something that is delivering a value. Goal is actually a statement, right? We read that statement. The statement which is helpful for us to understand what this product is aiming to achieve. Now, what is the strategy? It is the plan that is helping the product whether it will achieve the goals or not. How the product is going to achieve the goals, that is actually defined in a plan which is called as the product strategy. Now, let's see and go through an example so that it will be easy for you to understand. Before getting into the example, let's talk about the four key elements so that it will be easy. This is going to be the basic template of a product strategy. The first thing is, what is the goal of your product? What is the big picture or ultimate goal of the product? That should be clear in the strategy document. The next thing, who are the users of our customers? So target audience. Who is your target audience? That is the second step. The third one is, what problem does the product solve and why it is better than others? Value proposition. What value you are delivering and how it is different from others? Value proposition. Fourth one, what steps will you take to develop and market the product? Key actions. So the first one, you should have a goal. Second thing, you are going to discuss about who all are your target audience. Now the third step is value proposition. What is the product trying to solve and how it is different from your competitor products? The last one is, how are you going to market that product? And first of all, you are going to develop the product and market the product. That is key actions. So these four elements must be available as part of your product strategy document. Goal, target audience, value proposition, and key actions. Now let's get into detail with an example. The first one is, imagine you want to start a small cafe. What is your goal? To create a cozy place where people can relax and enjoy fresh coffee. That's your goal, right? So you know now there is a product that you are trying to make and it is going to deliver a value, and you know what is the goal of your product also. Who are your target audience? Coffee lovers who value quality and ambience. Value proposition, offer unique, freshly brewed coffee and a relaxing environment that stands out from local coffee chains. So, what value you are delivering, or what is the problem you are trying to solve, plus how are you different from other competitor products that you are able to see in the market. What are your key actions? The first one is, you should develop a menu with unique coffee flavors. Second thing, design a cozy cafe space. Market the cafe as a neighborhood hangout spot. So these all things are required, right? As a key action. Developing and market. Development and marketing. So first one, you are developing a menu which is having the unique coffee flavors so that people like that. And the second one is, you are designing a place that is a cozy cafe space. And the last one is, market that cafe as a neighborhood hangout space. So you have a goal, you have target audience, you have a value proposition, and you have key actions. Okay, let's get with one example from software point of view. Building a fitness app. Okay, what is your goal? Helping users. They should lead a healthier life by tracking their fitness and nutrition. Two pieces here. You are focusing on nutrition also, fitness also. That's your goal. Who all are your target audience? Health conscious people aged from 18 to 40. That's what you are figuring out as your target audience. What is the value proposition? Yes, provide personalized fitness and diet plans with an easy to use interface. That is something you are standing out from the overall crowd. It is going to be very simple so that anyone uh, who feels to use this app, they will not have any kind of challenges in using that because it has a very easy to use interface. And it is also providing personalized fitness and diet plans. It's not like something very generic. It's going to be collecting all the details from you, and it is going to provide something specific to you. So that is actually the value that we are delivering. So what are the key actions we will be performing? First thing, create features for activity tracking and meal logging, right? Because two pieces we have as feature. One is the fitness part and another one is the nutrition part. So for the fitness part, we need to ensure what is your lifestyle, and basically like how are the activities can be tracked so that all the physical activities like walking, jogging, swimming, all those things we are tracking. And the second one is like, it also should consider the nutrition part. So what is the meal plan, and what is the consumption of the food that you are taking. So all those things, different items related to meal. So that is the meal logging. The next one is partner with fitness expert for content, because this is something we should really talk to some experts. Then only we can provide the actual solution. So you should partner with some fitness expert for some consultation and the content. The last one is marketing. So we first talked about the development part, and the second one is your Marketing part. Launch a marketing campaign targeting gym goers and fitness communities, because that's mostly your target audience, right? So you should be reaching out to them as a marketing option. So here, as you can see, there is a goal. You have identified the target audience. The next one is the value proposition. What is the value that you are delivering, and how you are standing out from the rest of the crowd who all are in the market, and what are the key actions. So key actions is always going to cover two pieces. One is the development and the marketing. So what are the features that we are developing? And for the development itself, there is one another option that we need to think of, because we are not the subject matter experts related to fitness. So we are requesting to partner with some kind of fitness experts for content. And the final one is the marketing plan. So we are planning, or we are actually launching a marketing campaign targeting gym goers and fitness communities. So this is actually the example of the product strategy. So now you should be knowing how to write a product strategy document. So for a product, first thing you should identify the goal. It's very important. So I'm just going back for a second. Please understand this piece of information. What is the goal? What are we going to achieve? That idea is the goal. What is the target? Please remember this example of daily 10,000 steps, so that now you can come to this, which is basically like what we are going to achieve as part of a product. That is your goal. So it's going to be a single line statement, right? So now goal we are able to write. The next thing is we need to identify the target audience. We are going to talk about understanding the customer in the upcoming sessions. We will be able to learn more about that. So that will be identified as part of that understanding the customer activity, but target audience is the next section. Then the value, and how are we actually standing out from the crowd in the market. That is a value proposition. The next one is the key activities, where we will be talking about the development and the marketing. So this overall information is the product strategy. Now, with these two examples, one thing is very clear. Strategy acts as a guide for making decisions and staying aligned with the ultimate goal. So as you can see, like whom I should reach, because they are my customers. I'm not going to target each and everyone. No, that's not going to work. So this guide, that is a product strategy, is going to help me to take decisions whom I should reach out, because they are my target customers, not everyone. And I'm going to stick to the goal. My value is aligned to my goal. I'm not going to treat everything as a value. I'm not going to provide other than fitness and nutrition related topics in this application, because my core concept here is, my goal is just to help people who are health conscious people with the help of fitness topics and also the nutrition related topics. No other topics other than this, which is actually aligned to the goal, right? So product strategy is the guide which is helping me to reach out to the right people with the help of the decision, and understand and stick to the goal, and don't go out of the box of the goal that we have set. So this is actually the product strategy. And this product strategy helps us to move forward with the help of development and marketing with the usage of key actions, right? So this is something related to product strategy, and I hope you are now very clear about how to create a product strategy. So today we talked about two very important topics: product goal and product strategy. As a product management person, it's very important to know these two concepts. We will be talking about product vision, product mission, product roadmap in the upcoming sessions. But this is the very basic thing I just want to cover today. So we learned what is a product, what is a product goal, what is a product strategy, and what are the instances where we will be creating a product. And when we say about product goal, why we need product goal. And we also talked about creating a product strategy with the help of the key elements. I hope this session is very helpful for you all. If you want to connect with me, you can use TopMate. And if you're liking this content and you want to support the channel, You can use buy me a coffee option. And I hope you all have subscribed to the channel. If not, please subscribe to the channel. That will be really a motivating factor for me to add more content. And please, if you are liking this content, uh, give a like to the video, and please share your feedback in the comment section. If you have any questions, please share the questions as well. I'll try to explain or answer the questions as early as possible. If you feel this content is going to help some of your friends, please do share this video with your friends. Thank you so much for joining. We will meet next week with the next set of topics. Thank you so much, everyone. Stay connected. Happy learning. Bye bye.